Hello! Today we're just doing a bit of a general ride out video, let you know how things are going. This is my preferred speed actually, power assist 3 around 15 miles an hour. Saves on battery power and I don't know, it's just nice and steady. I think maybe a little bit too muddy to be going a bit off-road today. We'll see. If I come across somewhere that looks half decent, well, we'll take a turn off. A bit of a hill here. Not a very nice road to be passed by cars, so let's get it out the way. But as you can see, even in power assist 3, you can get up to 20 miles an hour. It's when you get a bit of a down bank. Normally 15. This just makes for a nice, pleasant, steady ride. Just putting in a little bit of effort, not much. Just enough to get my heart beating. Let's have a little bit of a spurt with top speed. Slight incline here, so I'm not getting the full speed of it. Speedometer's been calibrated to 22-inch wheels, which gives an accurate reading. So basically, the top speed of these bikes is 22 miles an hour, comfortably. All these claims are going 24, 26. They're either downhill or the speedo's not reading right. Well, the cows have come to say hello. Hello, cows. Yeah, it's an e-bike. Easy, mate. Hello. Anyway, back on the road. As you can see, our voltage is around 50 volts. Still showing full on the energy bar, so that's a little bit, I don't know, it's more for show than anything else. You're better off going by the voltage, which does fluctuate. So when you put the bike under load, it drops but regains when you level out again. I've not actually run this battery flat yet, so I don't really know how far it will go. It goes far enough for me anyway, for the bit of riding I do, and it's no great distances I go, but probably the furthest I've been is around 15 mile. Yeah, I think it was down to about 47 volts or something like that. It all depends how much effort you put in and what power assist you've got it on. Okay, we've got a bit of a lane here, slightly up bank, power assist 3, 11 mile an hour. Morning. But if I drop it down to power assist 2, it's just as easy to pedal, it's just that we go slower. So it's up to you really, isn't it? Are you in a rush? Or just out for a steady ride? Manure. Get the bucket out. Should carry a bucket on the back, shouldn't I really? Fill it up. Well, we've got a bit of sunshine coming out now. Still chilly out though. Bit of a wind chill going on. Hey, but it's pleasant enough. Summer's just around the corner. That's what people keep telling me anyway. But it's pretty quiet round here. Not really sure where I'm going. I think I'll take a right somewhere. Should bring me back on myself. I think. Not that one, it's a dead end, isn't it? Oh. Carry on a bit further then. But seeing as I came back from that way, taking a right seems the obvious choice. But yeah, just look how pleasant this is. Great to be out, enjoying the countryside. But a great day. Sun's out, quiet, reasonably warm. Yeah, can't beat it. Anyway, check out some of my other videos. There'll be a link at the end. But for today, I'll sign off and say, hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, thanks for watching.